Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how to draw a face. And also I'm only going to be showing you guys the front view of the face. So if you want to learn how to draw a face the easy way, then just keep on watching. So before you start making the face, make sure your pencils are really sharp. And I'm like starting off by drawing a circle here, and it need not to be perfect because these are just guidelines and we are gonna be rubbing them off later. And also do not put much pressure onto the paper because again we are gonna be rubbing them off later on and you don't want to mess your drawing up. Now start drawing a line where the chord of the circle is. Now if you have studied geometry, you know exactly what I'm talking about. So yeah, draw a line there and then just divide this circle into half as I am doing here. Now start drawing the eyes where the chord of the circle is, and I have so many videos on how to draw eyes and how to draw eyelashes, how to draw eyebrows, and I'll be linking them all down below if you want to check out. So if you don't know like how to draw eyes, I have so many of them on my channel. So start drawing the eyes along the line. Now I'm drawing them eyes the other side. Now this is the part where a lot of people struggle to make the exact same or symmetrical eyes, I should say. So you don't really have to worry about that. Just do as I am doing here because it's kind of like difficult to explain it and it is self-explanatory. I'm like measuring the length of the eye with the scale, and I'm gonna mark the points the other side to make sure that the length of the eyes is similar to both sides. And also I'm also measuring where the eyes are ending. I don't know what to call that area, but you know it is self-explanatory, and I'm just joining all the points together. Okay, now for the nose and the lips, I'm drawing a capsule kind of shape for both the nose and the lips. And I'm actually not going to explain it that much because it is self-explanatory and you will see what I'm doing here. Okay, now for making the rest of the face, I'm drawing dent-like shapes near the eyes as you can see here. And um, also I am drawing a skull kind of shape by following the guidelines that we have of the circle that we drew before, and it really helps and it really makes it easy to make the face. Okay, now start drawing the chin of the face, and when you're done that, just start joining the chin with the skull kind of shape that we made, and just join those 2 points as I am doing here.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave,
Okay, now I'm finishing off the face by drawing hair, ears, and giving details to the eyes, nose, and the lips. And I'm gonna speed up the process because everything is done. Now just sit back and just enjoy the video.
I fell where my demons dwell. My own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking, you're faking, girl. You never made a sound. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm done with yesterday. What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Ooh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia? Darling, I'm just so fed up with these expectations. They keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa, and if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a, yeah. Yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing